Welcome to our video today on wooden dining tables and chairs. If you're looking for a table that combines beauty and functionality, a wooden table is the perfect choice. It brings a warm, natural touch to any dining room. Wooden tables come in a variety of styles, from traditional tables with classic details to modern designs in vibrant colors. Let's take a closer look at some of the qualities that make wooden tables special. Notice the intricate details in the grain and the depth of the wood's natural color. You can mix and match chairs with tables in different colors to create an attractive and modern look, ensuring the chairs are both sturdy and comfortable. When choosing a wooden table, make sure to know the right size for your room and ensure the wood tones match the overall decor. Wooden tables come in different shapes and sizes. You can choose between rectangular, round, or square depending on your needs. To keep your table looking its best, avoid direct sunlight and clean it regularly with safe materials to maintain its beauty. No matter your home's decor, wooden tables add a unique charm and cozy ambiance to your dining space. Thanks for watching. If you're looking for the perfect wooden dining table, check out our wooden tables section on chairlychairs.com. We offer a variety of high-quality tables to suit all tastes and spaces. The link is in the description.